Right, we're over at Rotherham at Rainbow Motorcycles today, and we're looking at a new set of parts we've done for the 1200GS, the LC model. This is a second-hand example, a clean one as usual over at Rainbow, and I'm just going to show you these parts that we've developed to enclose the end of the frame tubes here, and here, the engine mounts there. What we've got here is a special moulded one that we've developed in-house at Pyramid. This has been developed specifically to go into here, on this angled face here. This is an early version that we undersized. There's the full-size version there, which is a press fit. That press fits into there. So this is the special moulded version that we've done. And then the rest are really an off-the-shelf item that we've sourced to go into the various holes here. So there's one there. Another one down there. And then the larger ones go either side of the engine mount there. There's one. They're a nice fit. They've got a water-resistant flange on them there. Just come round. There's a further one there. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the extra piece there. Same on the other side. We do a torch addition. This is a little Maglite Solitaire LED Maglite torch, which slides into there like that, sits there like that, and then you can then offer this up on this side. So the standard kit is 9 pieces, including 2 of these, 4 of these larger ones on the engine, and another 3 of these to fill the smaller ones. In addition, you can order the Maglite Solitaire, a little LED torch that pushes in there, only on the right hand side because this is the one that's got the depth, and then you can store it in there like that. Push that in. Also a useful secret storage compartment if you want to carry some spare euros when you're on your European trips. And obviously it's in there, out of sight, out of mind, in and out as easy as that. And that's the finished effect. If you look around the bike now, you'll see the effect of all of those bungs in place. Tidies the thing up, I think you'll agree.